Hello everyone. So today we're going to master what is statistical process control. Statistical process control is one of the most important and significant Six Sigma tool to execute any Lean Six Sigma project. So we're going to master that what is SPC or what is statistical process control, why SPC matters, what are the benefits of SPC, how to implement statistical process control, what are the common cause of variation and special cause of variation, and some basic fundamentals about control charts. So we're going to explore everything in details in this video. After the end of this video, you'll be able to master the concept of statistical process control. So now I'm moving into that what is statistical process control. Statistical process control, it is a method that is used to monitor, control and improve process performance using statistical tools. It helps to detect variation and it also helps to maintain stable quality over a prolonged period of time. So that is the basic fundamentals behind statistical process control, or it is also called as SPC. So now I am moving into that why SPC matters. SPC reduces defects. It improves consistency. It increases customer satisfaction. And it also helps to predict any manufacturing processes. It also helps you to understand whether your process is within your control or not, whether there is some variation is there or not, whether then the variation is a common cause of variation or it is a special cause of variation. So it helps to predict that. It gives you an alert, an indication. So hello, this is Surajit Banerjee. I welcome you all to our channel, the Lean Six Sigma World, your go-to place for mastering the concept of Lean Six Sigma in all aspects. So now I'm moving into that what are the types of variation. I've already explained that it gives you an indication to find out the variation. So what are the different types of variation? There is common cause of variation and there is also special cause of variation. Common cause of variation means it is natural, it is expected variation, like slight difference in machine speed, minor fluctuation in raw material quality, small temperature changes, slight voltage changes, etc. But special cause of variation, it is abnormal, it is unexpected variation which needs serious attention, like machine breakdown, high bearing temperature, high bearing vibration, defects in complete lot of raw materials. You can reject the complete lot, you have to reject the complete lot of raw materials. This is a serious issue. It needs attention, means there is some special variation that is happening, which needs serious attention and focus. So it needs help from the top management, also needs involvement of the cross-functional team members to solve the problem. So that you can find a root cause, you can solve the problem, you can sustain the improvements. You can ensure the improvements, you can avoid the failures. So now I'm moving into that the key SPC tools. The various key SPC tools are control charts, histograms, spectral chart, cause and effect diagram, check sheets. All these tools are statistical process control tools. These tools are used for process monitoring and also analyze the process. It also helps you to find the root cause of the problem so that you can solve the particular problem and you can ensure improvements and you can sustain that improvements. Now I'm moving into that control chart basics. So a control chart will have its upper control limit, lower control limit, a center line is called the mean, and it also have some data points which shows the variation. So control chart helps to identify the abnormalities that is present in the process. Whenever you collect the data, you will create a control chart. The control chart will give you the signal whether there is some abnormality is there in the process or not. Regarding control chart, I have prepared a separate video where you can find everything in details about control chart. The link will be given in the I button. You can check that from that video. Now the common control chart types. There are two types of data. Continuous data, it is also called as variable data, and discrete data, it is also called as attribute data. So for variable data, we find out X bar R chart, X bar S chart, and IMR chart. And for attribute data, we basically create P chart and P chart for defective components and U chart and C chart for defects in the components. So these are various types of control charts that are basically used. Details about the control chart, I have made a separate video. You can go and check that video. You'll find everything in details about control chart, which is one of the most important and significant tool in statistical process control. Now SPC in Lean Six Sigma. SPC supports DMAG phase. define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. So it helps to ensure process stability and long-term improvement. That's why statistical process control is one of the significant and important tool in Lean Six Sigma. To execute any Lean Six Sigma project, you need the help of statistical process control. And in the statistical process control, you have so many tools which basically supports the SPC. Now, the benefits of SPC: it reduces rework, it stabilizes processes, it increases reliability, it improves productivity, it lowers the cost of poor quality. Cost of poor quality involves internal failure cost and external failure cost. So it basically helps to lower the cost of poor quality. Now I'm moving into SPC implementation steps. Now there are some steps that are involved by which you can implement this statistical process control. So first of all, you need to find out the CTQs, which is called the critical to quality factors. So y is a function of x. Y depends on number of factors x, x1, x2, x3, x4, all these things. So you need to find out the baseline data. What are the factors based on which the main business case is depending? Y is depending. Now, after finding the data, you need to select on tools and collect the data. Now, create the control chart. Now, interpret the control chart. The control chart will give you some signal. Now, based on that signal, you need to take some corrective actions and you need to improve the process. And you also need to find the root cause of the particular problem so that you can ensure sustainable improvements over a prolonged period of time. So that the problem, you can eliminate the recurrence of problem and you can ensure sustainable success for your process. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share this video, and comments below with your thoughts on statistical process control. I'll be very happy and obliged to see your comments. I hope you have learned something new from this video. So share your knowledge and experience in the comments below. And subscribe to our channel and turn on notification for more insightful content. I hope you have learned something new from this video. To share your express your knowledge and express your experience. You can join our exclusive WhatsApp community to get free updates on Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques, everything about Lean Six Sigma. You can master Lean Six Sigma from our WhatsApp community itself. And thank you from the bottom of my heart for being part of this journey of the Lean Six Sigma world. Stay tuned. We have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for valuable time and thanks for being part of this journey of the Lean Six Sigma world. So I thank you. Thank you so much.